Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. And in the last video I have showed you the JBL C100SI unboxing video. Now I am wearing that headset and I am doing the another unboxing video which is Intex headphone. So this is going to be useful for what you call a laptop user. So it's a nice product from Intex. So I have purchased once again from this Amazon. So I will show you one by one what is inside the box and how to use this one and what are all the features as they enable in this Intex. See, now you can see in the box it is branded of Intex and it is showing that Intex the headphone, and they have written is in a mega computer multimedia headphone with is in a USB microphone is there and volume control is there. So they have mentioned this is a completely a wired headphone which is going to be compatible for a PC usage, for laptop users, for taking video calls and listening music. So they have mentioned the Intex technical specifications inside the right side of the box. So now we can see the technical specifications of this speaker. Driver unit is 40 mm, impedance is 32 ohms. This symbol is called as a ohm. So we will calculated that sound in the ohms, as everyone knows. So frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and sensitive is 96 dB, and dB is nothing but a decibel, and minus 4 dB. So max input power is 100 milliwatt. It's a MW means milliwatt, and connector is a 3.5 mm stereo plug, and cord length is nothing but is a wire, whatever the wire they have given. It's a 1.8 meter. It's a long wire, so there is no problem. There's a shortages of wire. So when we are sitting in front of system and we are taking call, like a wire is so small, so you are not feeling any uncomfortable. So there is no problem. So they have given enough wire. So 1.8 meters is more than enough for using. And the microphone, they have given the specifications of the microphone also. Drive unit unidirectional, frequency response is 20 Hz to 16 kHz, and impedance is 2.2 k ohms. Sensitivity is 54 dB and minus or plus or minus dB. Connector is 3.5 mm stereo plug. Now we can see the box size also they have given, the weight of the headphone also they have given, which is really impressive. So 180 gram the weight is, and the box size is 170 into 90 into 200 mm. So they have mentioned this Intex product. So they have mentioned the model name as a mega computer multimedia headphone. So let us see what is inside the box. Okay, so now I'm opening this Intex box, so we can see. Okay, so okay, it's a simple pack, nothing is there. So again we can able to open this one and we will see how the performance of this headphone. Kind of a model they have given. I will show you that completely. So this is the box. Apart from headphone, nothing is they have mentioned. So we can able to see nothing inside the box. So as we have seen this, okay, again in this box I have missed this, so I will tell you. So they have mentioned that customer care number and address, so where the manufacturing is like this, and they have mentioned also 1500 plus service touch points is there. So they have mentioned the website address and email ID, customer care email ID of the Intex also. So we can see, and the mega computer was, so they have mentioned all the things of this, and we can see. Now we can keep it here and let us see what is inside this box. So okay, now we can see there is a simple cover they have given, a plastic cover. So we can remove this cover and we can see. Okay, this is the headsets they have given. So nice one. So it's a very good plastic also. So we are wearing, there's nothing is going to be happening. Okay, so they have given the sponge material inside this one, so no need to worry. So remaining brands they will give you like what you call only hard plastic. At the time you will feel more headache or something like that only. So it's not like that material. So when we are wearing it's more comfortable. So we can expand also, depends upon your head side or ear size also. So they have given like this. So it's a good quality product. And okay, So we can see the product also. So inside also sponge is there, so nothing is going to be happening. So more space. So normally other companies headsets, if you are wearing, so more sweat will come, so you will feel itching and sweating. Also there is a more uncomfortable while we are wearing other headsets also. So but here they have given more space, so that there is no problem with your ear if you are using this one more hours also. And the cable quality is also good, as I have already shown, like mentioned you, this is a 1.8 meters wide, so it's a long wire. So I think, and they have given this microphone, so there's a volume adjustment is also there. There's a volume adjustment, and we can see we can up and down the volume also. And here this is the mic, so nothing is apart from this, but good quality, nothing, nice plastic, and there is no problem. And we can able to see the wire. And as we know, there's a two type of what you call 3.5 mm jacks is there, one for mic and one for speaker. Everyone knows. So see, they have mentioned that to avoid the confusion for the customers, they have mentioned already here. So this microphone symbol is there, as we can see. Red color is for microphone, and this one is black color is for a headphone. So nice quality sound, as I'm already using this one, so I didn't see any what you call problem. So while we are listening music, nice bass and everything is coming. So good quality, good voice also. So this is also under budget product only. So if you really like, and if you are more using more minutes or more hours, the PC or a laptop or whatever you are calling, like a tablet, and you are doing more video calls, this is going to be a good very good product from Intex, and you can able to use. So this is the product, guys. And if you really like this video, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching this video.